We love to collect things to fill the available spaces in our homes. Unfortunately, material possessions do not equate to happiness, so it should be no surprise to see how minimalists lead a simple, cheaper, and happier lifestyle. Decluttering is all the rage right now. Many people are currently considering living a minimalist lifestyle and surrounding themselves only with the things they love most. But decluttering is more than just a trend. It leaves your home clean and tidy while dejunking your life. Here are the powerful benefits of decluttering your space. 1. Decluttering alleviates anxiety and depression. If you can't find enough space to store your possessions, odds are, you will leave them lying around until you get time to attend to them. More often than not, you will find yourself not knowing what to do with such things, and they will become clutter. Clutter causes stress. Studies have shown that clutter can dramatically increase levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, which in turn causes anxiety and depression. It wreaks havoc on the mind, overloading your brain with excess sensory information. Decluttering your space will undoubtedly declutter your mind, and the end result is less stress. When you dejunk your rooms, you will feel at peace in your home. 2. Decluttering lessens allergens. All those unused objects lying in your house are not only taking up space, but also accumulating dust and allergens. Unused things make a haven for pet hair, dust, mold, and other allergens. This can be threatening, particularly if you or a family member has underlying health issues or suffers from allergies, asthma, or eczema. Decluttering and keeping your home organized improves indoor ventilation. When paired with dusting, it can eliminate allergens and prevent mold from building up. 3. It improves sleep quality. Being asleep doesn't mean you're blind to clutter in your sleeping area. Seeing those poorly organized things before you go to bed is enough to fill your mind with uneasy thoughts. And as we all know, anxiety can significantly interrupt sleeping patterns, denying you a good night's sleep. To ensure your brain is not processing the external stimuli of clutter, you need to get rid of unnecessary clutter from your bedroom. That way, you will leave the space clear and cleaner, which makes it extremely easy to drift off. 4. Decluttering creates a conducive environment for better productivity and creativity. First off, making your space clean and tidy boosts your overall emotions, therefore, cultivating a positive attitude. It creates a sense of self-confidence, empowering you to live freely and face things boldly. This makes you stay focused on whatever things you do. Besides, many people find it challenging to concentrate and work in a messy, disorganized place. The clutter around creates a bad image, and everything competes for attention, which tampers with your ability to focus. Without such chaotic clutter, your concentration level increases, which in turn boosts productivity. Decluttering can also boost creativity, because your mind is free to think positively. 5. Helps you save money and time. Maybe this should have come first. Who doesn't like to save money? When decluttering, you also get a great chance to organize your home. You will, therefore, spend less time looking after and cleaning your home. Not to mention, searching for items you may have misplaced. This will in the long run, help you save time. And time is money. When you declutter, you know what items are worthy enough to take up space in your home. This means you won't buy things aimlessly just to have them. You will only buy what you know you will love and use. Also, you won't accidentally buy the same item you already have, simply because you can't find or remember what you already own. This is an easy way to save money quickly. 6. Decluttering can reduce relationship and family tension. No matter whose mess it is, clutter will affect everyone in your home. You might argue with your partner over a cluttered room. This can strain or ruin relationships. This definitely means you can create peace and reduce relationship stress by keeping your space less cluttered and organized. Letting go of what you don't use or what is less valuable does more than discarding old stuff. You are also getting rid of fears and insecurities while welcoming peace and reclaiming your life. Decluttering your space is decluttering your life. What items in your home can you not live without? Have you tried to declutter your home? Share your story with us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Spread the love and send this video to at least 2 friends or your favorite group chat. Sharing is caring after all. Be sure to hit the bell icon to stay up to date with our latest videos. Remember to be polite to yourself first, so you can be polite to others. Take care of yourself. Until next time.